Hello everyone, join us on a classic ET adventure ride at Universal Studio Florida. This attraction was originally opened in 1990 and this is the only original ride from the park's opening day still in existence. This is the exterior queue and now we are entering pre-show. This ride is based on Spielberg's classic 1982 film E.T. The Extra-Terrestrial and the sequel novel The Book of the Green Planet. Spielberg appears and explains the mission.
Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the E.T. adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. E.T. needs your help. Now, we've just received an urgent message from E.T.'s teacher, Botanicus, calling for E.T. to come home right away. You see, a big problem has developed 3 million light years away on E.T.'s home world, the Green Planet. E.T.'s friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what E.T.'s friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help E.T. find them once we get him home, and there's not a moment to lose, because only E.T.'s magic healing touch can save his friends and bring his planet back to health. E.T. must go home, and only you can help him. E.T. Trouble. That's right, E.T. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the Green Planet? You and E.T. will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with E.T., tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass. Oh, sounds like E.T.'s ready to go. So good luck, everyone. And remember, E.T.'s counting on you, and so am I. It's up to you to save his planet so that he may visit us again.
This is where they'll give us barcoded passport containing the guest name or interplanetary passport. We are entering the interior queue, which is a forest where police are looking for us. There are 2 bunnies and 2 owls hiding like Easter egg. Let's see if we can find them. That's the bunny. The best part of this queue that we cannot show but experience, and that is the distinct smell in this forest. Customized pine fresh scent that adds to the magic of this ride. It's created by scent marketing company Scent. This is the speak and spell scene from this movie. We can hear the signature loud clacking. And here is Botanicus beaming down from his ship, waiting for E.T.'s return.
The one you follow, bring him here to the Green Planet.
To all my Indian friends, you might have watched the movie Koi Mil Gaya, which is said to have been inspired by this movie, E.T. This is the beginning of the ride. E.T. is in the basket and reacts to the events throughout the ride. When he is scared, he hides, and at the end, he is no longer visible. Officials and police officers are chasing.
They got E.T. They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
See, they're coming at us.
I see him. Come on, let's go. Bottom of the hill.
Wow, we are flying.
Whoa, hold you! Get away! Look, they're flying!
Look at that miniature city. And now we are flying into outer space. Well, the bike is being transported through the portal. And we have arrived on the Green Planet, E.T.'s home, which is burning. And that's Botanicus.
E.T., go to Tickley. Hurry.
E.T.'s healing touch is traveling throughout the planet and reviving his friends.
E.T. go home. Tickly. Ouch.
Welcome home. You be thank you. You be thank you.
Welcome home.
Mad Dog.
And the celebration begins with so many baby ETs. Composer John Williams wrote the music for this attraction. E.T. thanks guests by the names mentioned in the passports given initially. In a flash of light, guests are sent back to Earth.
Attention! Please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the ride vehicle.
This is the exit area. From here we'll be going to E.T. toy closet. And they have photo op with E.T. They have pretty cool merchandise. E.T. plushies, t-shirts. That's the speak and spell. Colorful stationery. And Back to the Future merch. This is pretty amazing. Keychains and pins. And the photo op with E.T. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos. We are all about exploring best of Arizona and Florida. Thanks for watching this video. Catch you next time.